Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add a new admin to your WordPress website. This is an essential task if you want to give someone else full access to manage your site securely. We will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, open WordPress on your PC and log into your account. Next, click on Users from the menu on the left side. After that, click on Add a User again to confirm. Next, choose the role for the new user. You can select Administrator if you want them to have full admin access. Other options include Editor, Author, or Contributor, depending on the permissions you want to give. Then, enter the email of the person you want to add. After entering the email, click on Send Invitation. The invited person will receive an email invitation to become an admin in your WordPress. When they click on Accept Invitation, they will officially become an admin on your website. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.